Good day, sir. I am Jamda Nicole Manalo, ABS MT student. For this video, I will be discussing my CO2 assessment. We have our table number 1, which is MT Crystal E, age 9 years old, close-up survey plan. For our table, we have proposed location and extent of close-up survey are as follow. A special survey number 1, chip 10 years old, all web prim rings in a wing balance tank if any, or a cargo using tank used renably for water ballast for note 1. For number 2, we have one deck transverse note 2 and 6. We have in each of remaining ballast tank if any, in a cargo using tank and 2 cargo sentry tank, both transverse bulkhead in a wing balance tank if any, or a cargo using tank used primarily of water ballast. For number 4, one transverse bulkhead in each of the remaining ballast tank, in a cargo wing tank, in 2 cargo sentry tanks. Selected cargo heater, covers and coaming, plating and shifted. Selected access of deck plating inside line of heater opening between a cargo hold hatches. For our task table 2, task 2, we have MT Crystal A, age 9 years old, thickness measurement plan. In our table, we have the proposed location and extent of thickness measurement are as follow. Special survey number 2, ship 10 years old, 1, within the cargo tank length, each deck plate, a transverse section, C more 6, C note 6, 2 measurement for general assessment and recording of corrosion pattern of the structural member subject to close-up survey in accordance with Table 3.7.2, Table 3.73, Table 3.74, or Table 3.75. Selected wind and water streaks outside the cargo tank length. Critical areas as required by surveyor. For our task 3, for our table task 3, we have thickness measurement for bottom structure with substantial corrosion. For structural member, we have bottom plating. For extent of measurement, we have minimum of 3 bays across tank, including at bay. Measurement around and under all suction strums. For pattern of measurement, we have 5-point pattern for each panel between, and for longitudinal and webs. For number 2, we have bottom longitudinals, minimum of 3 longitudinals in each bay where bottom plating measured, or 3 measured means in line across flange, and 3 measurement on vertical web. For our task 4, for our table task 4, we have thickness measurement for ship and longitudinal bulkhead with substantial corrosion. For our structural member, we have deck head and bottom streaks in way of stringer platforms, and also all other streaks. For extent of measurement, we have plating between each pair of longitudinals in a minimum of 3 days. Plating between every third pair of longitudinals in same 3 bays. For pattern of measurement, We have single measurement and also single measurement. That's all, sir.